Hey guys, �:𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Hope everyone is blessed. And in this video today, I'm going to talk about one of the most powerful income generating tools you have already in your possession. All right. If you do not know what that is your W-4. Okay. If you work a job, the most powerful income generating tool that you have in your possession is a W-4. So let me go into what I mean by that. Oh God, it's so hot. Okay, let me not complain, because in winter I'm gonna be like, I need some sun in my life. You know how that be. We be complaining about stuff just to be complaining. But anyways, back to the most powerful tool that you have already in your possession. All right, now why do I say that your W-4 is one of the most powerful things? Because the reality is that most people fill out their W-4 incorrectly. And that incorrectly filling out that W-4 is costing you thousands of dollars a year. Okay, thousands of dollars a year. And what is happening is the government is using your money, taking your money out of your check every single month. So now you got, like upwards of 30% of your income not only coming out of your check that you could have used, right, to have, higher monthly, weekly cash flow. They're taking it and they're investing it at 8 to 10% with your money. You could have invested that same 8 to 10%, right? You could have had thousands if you invested that same 8 to 10%. Okay, and not only that, think about that. If you had an extra $500 to $2,000 a month, depending on your W-4, in your bank account every month, how would your financial situation change? Would you be in less debt? Like, what would that look like for you? I know for a lot of people, they would not only not be in so much debt, but they wouldn't be cash strapped. They wouldn't be robbing Peter to pay Paul, right? So your W-4, knowing how to fill it out correctly, is one of the most powerful strategies that you have in your toolbox without even having to go get a second job, without having to change anything. Just simply knowing how to change your W-4 is a income generating powerful cash tool. Now, I'm positioned with the program, and that program is called MYECON, and that is a personal financial success company. Okay, now that program not only teaches you how to correctly fill out your W-4 so that you can get back the money that is owed to you, that the government is taking and giving you a refund every January, that they shouldn't have to give you a refund, right? This program will show you how to correctly do it the right way so that you could give yourself an instant pay raise. Second thing that this program is going to do is it's going to teach you the financial, basically it's going to give you the financial wealth plan and the financial blueprint, so that you can go out and you can do things like get your credit score to 750 and save yourself money there too, because bad credit costs you money. So credit is costing you money. So it's going to teach you how to get your credit score to a 750 or higher. And the system is also going to show you how to invest so that you can, get tax shelters, right? Not tax shelters, but basically to decrease your tax liability. I guess that would kind of be a tax shelter. But it's teaching you like what you need to know to build wealth. Okay? So I'm always excited to teach people about this program. If you want to learn more, if you're watching this on Facebook, hop in my inbox or comment info. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check out that little comment section below, because there'll be some information on how we can connect and you can learn more about this program for $34.95. Some of these programs are like charging $190 a month, $90 a month. $34.95, and you can position yourself to win. All right, that's it. That is, to me, $34.95 is worth me getting an extra $500 to $2,000 a month in my paycheck. Get it. All right, I look forward to helping you win. I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.